Dear colleagues, uh, I'm making this video just to show you how to schedule class in our Microsoft Teams software. See, once the laptop version, a software app can be seen in my bar here. Once I open this, as per our required timetable, we can schedule the classes. The default view will be like this. First, it will show you the activity on the left side, default view. I am using dark theme. Generally it will be light, default light theme. Now here, how to schedule classes is can be done in two ways. As per my experience, let me show you what are the two things I tried. After this, you can click here on Teams, left side, here bottom chat, here Teams. Once I click on the Teams, see I can click here all teams. When I clicked on the all teams, these are the two teams where I am present, our mechanical faculty team and my subject, allotted subject, dynamics of machinery. Once I click on this, see I will get all the options related to my team of this subject: general, post, files, class, notebooks, assignments. See, I'm not bothered about all those things. I don't know very much about them. First of all, how to add and how to manage team. See here, after this is the general. When I click on this is the general channel where I can manage all things through this channel. But for this team, when I click on these three buttons, which are more options, see I can see a manage team button here. When I click on this manage team, I will be opening this particular prompt window where members, you can see owners as our Sitaram sir and me. Now here members and guest, when I click here towards the left bottom, the list of students of my class where I have added all, you can see this stuff here. How to add them? See here you can see add member. When I click on this add member, this screen will appear: students, teacher, students. Now I can type any roll number. When I type this roll number, it will suggest as the name of the student. Select the name of student and click here add. Like this, we are supposed to add all the students of the class by giving input roll numbers, suggested name, add individually, separately. Each student should add at one time separately. After this, add again one more number, add. See, already I have added, so I'm not adding any more. So I'm closing this. Like this, adding of the students. Total strength, see 38. 38 of my third year mechanical B class 2. Total team size is 40. That is about how to add members. Now coming to the scheduling of the classes. See here again, teams. I have calendar option, team option in scheduling the class. See, once I click on this team general chair, click on the general chair. Now you can see whatever the added notifications by me. This is the default page: post, files, class, notebook, assignments, grades. In this post, first Sitaram sir created a team. For this, he added me as owner, and later yesterday I have added all my students, 38 students. I have given some message to them, and I have scheduled a class that all will appear here. Now how to schedule? First option is here in for this team. On the top right corner you can see meet. Right here, when you click on arrow mark, down arrow mark button, it will give more options. Now you can find a option called schedule a meeting. Click on this, schedule a meeting. Now you can see here add title. title of the meeting I am just typing dynamics of missionary. See, let me show you. This is my timetable which is allotted. Every Monday 3:30, every Wednesday 11:30, every Friday 10. See here, add required attendees. This is optional. No need to add any attendees because already they are in the team. If any further addition of any other member you are supposed to add, you can do it here by optional. Now, August 17th, it's Monday. Tomorrow, I'm selecting 3:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. for 1 hour. Now, how to make this class repeat? See here, does not repeat is the option given. If I select this option and for this particular dynamics of missionary subject general chair, for only tomorrow Monday this class will be scheduled in calendar, and here is a send button. If you click on this send button, that information will go to the students individual calendar date and it will get synchronized. But if you want to repeat this, that the options which we are trying, see if I press this button, now here you can see every weekday. See, every weekday if I click this option, now occurs every Monday through Friday starting. Say from this is 16th day, Sunday, tomorrow Monday, from Monday to Friday it will continuously, it will be repeating from 3:30 to 4:30 every day. Daily occurs every day. See, previously it was to Monday to Friday, this is daily. Weekly occurs every Monday from 3:30 to 4:30 all over the year, all over the calendar. It's also not good. Monthly occurs every month on third Monday. As I'm scheduling for third Monday for all entire calendar. Yearly occurs every year on day 17 of August. Starting from tomorrow to all over the years of the calendar. These are all not very useful for us as our timetable is different. It varies our subject at different times on different days, on different weekdays. So one important thing, you can use this option called custom. In this custom, see here we have range starting and end. See, first of all, for due time starting from tomorrow up to end of this month 31st, I am selecting August 17th, end date August 31st. See, repeat every, this is the thing. Here we have options again. Here if you click this, day, week, month, year, every day up to this date to this date every day for that timings which I have previously mentioned as 3:30. For every week, see, repeat every 1 week, every week where it has to be repeated. Same timing is not given any option here. 3:30 to, see, if my timetable is 3:30 on for these 4 days, I can select this option: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Occurs every Monday through Friday starting from 17th August to 31st August for the timing which I have given on the back side, 3:30 p.m. But as you know, here you can see timetable, timing is also different. But every Monday is the option which I can use here, saying that I can remove them. Month, every month on this particular date. So I can't use, I have to use week, Monday. I'm just selecting Monday from this to this. See, occurs every Monday starting from 17th to 31st. See, save. Subject given here by As I'm going through teams, this is will be default. Add location need not necessary. Type details, nothing is required. You cannot type here specifically for 1 hour. Now once it is done, I have to click on send button. See, once it is done, see in the team first starting page, post page, see G. Suresh Babu Dynamics of Missionary occurs every Monday at 3:30 p.m. until 31st August. This is the things. So where to verify it? I can go here, calendar view. See in the calendar view, August 2020 work week. Work week here is nothing but view of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 9 a.m. here, 3:30 to 4:30. This is on 17th. See, same thing. If I go for the next week, you can observe 24th. How many Mondays are having from in the August? 17th to 31st. 3 Mondays, 17, 24, 31st. See here, on Monday it is repeated, 3:30 to 4:30. In the next week, August 31st, 3:30 to 4:30. Dynamics of Missionary class. See, like this we can schedule meetings with custom date from 2 depending upon our academic calendar. It will be easy for us, but you cannot select all these 3 things at a single time. For Monday from to date, and for again every Wednesday this timings, every Friday this timings. That is the option. See, one more thing, if you want to cancel this, you can directly click on the teams, right? You can cancel it. If you want to go for another meeting at Wednesday, see, this is there is another option how to schedule it. For 3 weeks of I have scheduled on Monday. Now one more thing is I can go to calendar for scheduling directly. Click on the calendar, on which dates you are supposed to have meetings. 17th already 3:30 I have. Next Wednesday 11:30. See, Wednesday here I am. New meeting. Schedule a new meeting. Live event schedule meeting. See, here I can click new meeting. Add title. See, preferably here title will be the subject. If whatever the title you give here, it will reflect on title calendar first line. So here you can select the date again. It's on Wednesday. Wednesday timing is from 11:30 to 12:30. One hour. Do not repeat. See, I have to repeat on every Wednesday. I'm going for custom. August 19th is the first Wednesday. Select date. See, first Wednesday is the August 19th. Up to which, that means here means up to 31st I can select. Every week occurs every Wednesday starting from 19 to 31st. Save. See, now here you can see in this calendar previously there was send button here, but here it is only save now. How to get the send button is after selecting on which regular period you are supposed to schedule the timetable. Here is the option called add channel. Once you click on this, it will show the options of our teams. Mechanical subject, for my subject Dynamics of Missionary. When I select this, it will give one more channel in this general channel. Now once I select this, now you can see here save button has changed to send button. Now this is the thing. Now I can send it. See, once I send it, this is the calendar view. 17th 3:30 19 11:30. Next week here, Monday 3:30, Wednesday 11:30. See, like this we will get all the options. You can use Teams, right here. One more, schedule a meeting or calendar, like this. Once you have to start the meeting, see, you can go to particular place and click on the particular timetable timing. Now here you can see join button, right? You can join from here, or previously you can that option will give start option, start meeting you can do. See, one more thing I can show you is today we received a circular regarding this. In this third point, about other points I am not sure, but this point, teachers are requested to go to meeting option, select who can present only me, so as to restrict permission for the student to share his or her screen during class. Now, during scheduling, I didn't find that particular option called meeting options. But after, see, once I click on that particular scheduled meeting, here I can see meeting options. Here I can see meeting options. When I click on this, through web page, it is directing to this options, meeting options for particular meeting Monday 3:30 by me. Now who can present is, I have to select this here. By default it will give everyone. I have to select this, select put for only me, and I have to click on save. Like this third point has been worked out. See, fourth point, teachers can schedule as per timetable by going to calendar in Teams. See, particular under channel, class can be set as repeat week and end at the last date of semester. Once you know the academic calendar, we can easily schedule from first spell of instructions from so and so to so and so date. But we have to schedule for every Monday, every Wednesday, every Friday, from so and so date to so and so date. See, that's it. I tried because so that I can share how I worked. If you find any new things, try to share. Hope you all enjoyed and understood. Thank you.